welcome back to channel SciTech Guru. In this video I'm going to do the speed test comparison between the Realme GT Master Edition versus iQOO Z5 device. And this is a question which has been requested by few of my subscribers asking me to compare between these both phones using the 5 heavy games. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. And these are the 5 games which I did select: Asphalt 9 game, Battlegrounds mobile game, Call of Duty, Free Fire, and the Standoff 2 game. And during this time I'll try to connect to the same Wi-Fi network. Let me just show you exactly, which is 2.4 GHz. Same Wi-Fi network are connected in both devices. That's kind of same exactly, and I'm trying to clear everything from the background. All the apps are completely clean, so there is no GT mode enabled. So you can clearly see GT mode I did not enable, and there is no monster mode also enabled. I did not enable these two. So let's see, without using any kind of GT mode and the monster mode, so which phone can actually open these games fast. And Realme GT has got the UFS storage 2.2 LPDDR4X RAM type. iQOO Z5 has got the LPDDR5 RAM type and UFS storage 3.1, which are enhanced kind of versions. Let's see what's going to happen in this kind of speed test, whether this can be any kind of difference between both phones or not. Right now Asphalt 9 game is opening in both devices and we'll be seeing which is the winner. And the first phone to open the Asphalt 9 game is, let's see, even I'm really shocked. I think the iQOO Z5 did open the game first. So 1 point for the iQOO Z5, just a little bit faster than the Realme GT Master Edition, just a little bit. As you can clearly see, not bad. And even I'm doing this kind of test for the first time between these two phones, so even I'm not sure what is actually happening at this point. So the Battlegrounds mobile game was able to open. Let's see, slightly animations is loading faster. That can be kind of acceptable because the phone has got the UFS storage 3.1 and LPDDR5 RAM type. That might be another reason why maybe few games can open slightly kind of faster in the iQOO Z5. But this Battlegrounds mobile game, my account got logged out. Let me need to log in again. Let me need to close, and sorry for the disturbance. I'm not sure why this happens. Keeps on happening every time. It's kind of pretty frustrating for me. Let me need to close it again. Yes. Let's start fresh. Yep. Only Asphalt 9 game is open in the background, 1, 2, and 3. So I'm trying to open the game, and here's the game. Let's see this time what will happen with the animation. Slightly faster in the iQOO Z5. As I said, maybe that might be related to the LPDDR5 RAM type and UFS storage 3.1. I think so, something to do with those, maybe. That's why it's kind of slightly faster. But 2 points for the iQOO Z5 at this range. And let's see the Call of Duty game, 1, 2, and 3. So 2 points for the iQOO Z5, and let's see whether Realme GT Master can get any kind of points or not at this point. So both phones are loading at this moment, you can clearly see. So let's see which phone will log in into my account, because I'm trying to use the same Wi-Fi network. I did not change. First phone to log in is iQOO Z5. 3 points for the iQOO Z5 compared with the Realme GT Master Edition. Not bad. Let's go to the home page and let's start the Free Fire game 1, 2, and 3. Now we will get to know more details what is happening. Free Fire game, first phone to show logo is the iQOO Z5. I'm trying to tap. So first the iQOO Z5 did ask to tap the screen as well, but both phones did open at the same time, the home screen. As you can clearly see, friends, not bad. So this point is kind of a draw match, I would say, but 3 points for the iQOO Z5 in terms of the opening other games faster. And let's see Standoff 2 game, this phone can actually open fast or not, this game. So this is going to be really very interesting to see. Standoff 2. First phone to open is the iQOO Z5. As you can clearly see, friends. So overall, in terms of the speed test results, we got to know one thing is that the iQOO Z5 has got slight advantage in the speed test when we compare with the other Snapdragon 778G processor. That can be because of enhanced versions of the LPDDR5 RAM type and enhanced version of UFS storage 3.1 as well. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. This is a quick speed test comparison between both phones. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, let's see the RAM management, what is happening. Anyway, the Realme GT Master Edition is only 6GB RAM variant, but I did enable the external RAM capabilities. So even the phone, even if the phone is 8GB RAM variant, the phone won't be able to keep, I think, this many games in the background. Maybe it might be able to keep close to 4 games, I think so, not 5. But let's see in the Realme GT Master Edition, this iQOO Z5 was able to keep 4, but not the 5th one. Not bad. I need to do the side-by-side comparison with the Realme X1 Max, then you will be able to understand because of the 8GB RAM variant. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video and see the next video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.